In this video, I am going to show you how to set the display language of the Reddit website. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that, you should tap on your username in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on User Settings, then tap on the Account button at the top. Scroll down and tap on the Display Language button to select the language you'd like to experience the Reddit interface in. As you can see, here you have a bunch of options that you can select from. So just simply tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose, and then the language of the whole website will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.